What's up? What's up? What's up, y'all? Okay, so these Texas videos that I'm finna drop, they are from like days. So I'm just getting little clips from every one of them to give you girls, you know, more in depth. I hope y'all have been enjoying my uploads that I have been trying to like give to y'all. I'm just trying to like get them edited. That's why it's taking so long for me to just continuously get these videos out. Shout out to my editor saying he has been doing his one. By the time you guys see this, a Dead by Daylight video should already be out, and then a Texas Chainsaw video should be out, and That's Not My Neighbor, another episode of that. Those should be out in the quarry. So I'm working right now. I'm trying to get these out because I don't know if I'm going to be here tomorrow. Today is the 20th, and I'm trying to get these videos out by tomorrow. Well, at least some of them, because I'm finna be gone. So yeah, I'm trying to drop at least like 3 out of the 5 I'm supposed to be dropping. So they'll be light on the editing, but except the DBD one, and then the other 2, I think it's gonna be like a little on the edited side. I'm just really finna block it, but yeah, like I said, I hope y'all been enjoying. We are so close to our goal on Twitch, so if y'all could come to Twitch and just subscribe, that would be so amazing for me. I really do appreciate the support on YouTube. The support on YouTube has been phenomenal. And yeah, like I really do appreciate it. So shout out to the girls that watch the videos daily, or when I drop them. I really do appreciate it. And the ones that be commenting all the time, like I think I'm gonna start doing like shout outs for people that I see in the comments. So let me go ahead and do my first shout out to a girl that comments on every video I drop. Shout out to, and I don't want to say your name wrong, Janira. I think Janira Nicole. I'm gonna put her little YouTube channel. She is the person. Well, I don't know what to say. The lowrider of the week. Let's call it the lowrider of the week. She comments on all my videos, literally. And she always is like, she shows me that she watches them, she enjoys them, even though she comments hard. Like, it's support, you know what I'm saying? Like, and that be the little stuff that like makes me so happy and stuff. So yeah, I move in July. I know I probably put it in this a video back then, but I'm letting everybody know I move in July. I got approved. And right now I'm just trying to get all the coin I can get for the move, like, cause bitch, I gotta move there, give them their deposit and their prorated rent, and then I gotta ship my whole equipment there, minus the desk, cause the desk is my cousin. So yeah, and I'm just so ready for this ride for you guys. We're gonna be vlogging the whole little process of it. I got a vlog coming for you girls. It's gonna be tea. Yeah. So yeah, shout out to the lowriders. I love y'all so much. If y'all call yourself the lowriders. One more thing. And this is for everybody. I know I've made a comment about this a little minute ago. Please, y'all, please, I'm begging y'all. Like, I'm not even begging y'all. I'm being stern about it, because I don't want to like be this person, but like I keep explaining myself about the situation every single time, and it's like nobody cares. So from now on, like, please just when me and Ron get ready to do our content, or when me and another creator get ready to do our content, please just wait. Like, please, because when you guys just up there and y'all beg and y'all ask me and y'all, you know what I'm saying, like, it gets very irritating, especially being a creator that's trying to like make it for himself, like, without doing it with another person. It's no love lost with Ron. I love Ron. Shout out to Ron. No shade. Half y'all probably wouldn't even know me without him. Love that down. But please just enjoy my content, or just simply unsubscribe. Like, for real. I had somebody tell me the other day in my comments, when I do certain content, it's boring, but when I'm with Ron, it's funny. Like, stuff like that, it just really rubs me the wrong way. Because I know potentially, like, I'm great and I'm destined for greatness, and I know how hard I've worked to just even get to the space that I'm in now, everywhere. So please, by all means, just let me be me, let Ron be Ron, and then when we get together, let us get together on our own time. Okay? Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, like I always say. And comment. I want introductions. Let me get to know y'all. I'm gonna comment back at you guys. So just comment y'all name, y'all age, and where y'all from. And I'm you know, respond. So yeah, enjoy this video. What's up? What's going on, YouTube? We are back with another video. How are y'all doing? How y'all do? Today we are playing Texas Chain Coochie Mama Wah Wah La La Girl La 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 La. So yeah, we finna get in today. I haven't been doing Texas videos because girl, these Q times have been tearing a bitch down, you know what I'm saying? But we finna just start shortening up our videos and putting a little edit on it and make it cute for you girls. So you know, that way we can give you girls some more content, you know what I'm saying? Get a few gameplays in the video, you know, make like at least like a 30-minute video. If y'all do want to start seeing more of like the live videos, make sure you girls come to Twitch. My Twitch is Leekylo, or you can look at it down at the left corner. You can come to Twitch and you can get that subscription. You can come do y'all one. Also on YouTube, you guys, I will also be trying to release, I don't know if I want to do like full video streams on YouTube as well for members. No shade. So if y'all want to go ahead and get them cards, like, you know, them little cards or whatever for the membership that we have on YouTube, make sure y'all go ahead and get that membership. It will be in the link in the description down below. And yeah, so today we're gonna be getting in today. As you can see, we're in the queue, so you know what I'm saying, it just is what it is, no shade. So yeah, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Also comment like what games y'all want to see me play. I've been looking for some new games to play, and bitch, I can't find no new games to play. Like, we've been getting into it, but I got some scary shit coming for you girls. Well, y'all should see the scary shit before I even post this. But yeah, we've been doing some scary shit, some funny shit, some story games, all types of shit. So make sure y'all get the on my soul. And yeah, love y'all down. They not like us. Who the down here already? Oh, I was finna say that's kind of crazy. Freaky ass nigga, yes, nothing good. Honey Tia, can you please stop torturing me? No shade, you're very mean to me. Run for your life.
That's it.
Y'all know what I want right now? I want me a cold cup of cranberry juice. Like, a cold cup of cranberry juice gonna do it for me every time. Oh, somebody just jumped out the window? Damn, that do not be caring about their life. Oh, he Bigfoot. Get up on your good foot. Bad bitch, you like 6 foot. Cran pomegranate. Oh, I ain't never had that one. Bitch, I like me a little cocktail. Okay? Live for me a little cocktail, honey. Okay, honey? Hey, run for your life. Hey, run for your life. Step this way, step that way, step this way. Hey, run for your life. Oh, cran mango is so good. No shade, the crayons be craning. No shade. What are you? Oh, that's Danny. I was like, wait, hold up. Hey, run for your life. Hey, run for your life. Yeah. Where is this old bitch? I'm finna stab this old bitch. Ming. What? He stabbed. You don't need that. You don't need that. You don't need that, baby. You don't. No shade. You didn't need that. But I gave you that. Now that you have that. No shade, because did she need that? I don't think she needed that. Who was that? Or somebody feet crinkling and shit. Oh. Leatherface left. I was wondering why it wasn't as hectic as I expected it to be. Like, I'm like, why the hell? This shit boo-boo, low-key. Let me see if I can open another door. Are they opening everything empty ways? Step this way. Step. And they got a Johnny? Oh, he out there f somebody up. Oh, he just tore somebody ass up. They the developers really said, we finna put Anna in a dress with a motherfucker. Some flats. Like, they just really did that. No shade, let's talk, y'all. So, for y'all go-to meals, so bitch, say you only got like $25, right? What is your go-to meal for that $25 for you to go to the store with?
Oh, I did not know. My bad.
Like either to make or to eat out, it don't matter.
Here, I got the
but it's your only $25, so bitch, like imagine like bitch, that's your only 25. No shade. Bitch, you gonna eat Chipotle? It don't matter what it is. Chicken, rice, and peas and plantain.
Look at you.
McDonald's. Oh, I'm not fucking around with him. I can't be fucking around no nigga that be fucking with no bitch. Bundle box from McDonald's. Like it can be like $8. What for Alfredo sauce?
Despite recommendations, the boards began to
I don't think it'd be that much. I think Alfredo sauce be like $3, $4. Oh, corned beef. No shade. I want to get into different cultures for the month though. $130 to $150 for groceries for a month is actually pretty good. No shade. Cause a bitch like me spend at least like $2 something. Not even that. I be spending like $180-ish. But bitch, y'all know who gonna be my best friend when I move? No shade. Sam's Club. Bitch, I'm gonna make sure, bitch. Like stuff that I feel like I'm gonna need. Baby, that shit is going to be my best friend, honey. I'm going to bulk it up down. Bulk it down. Did you find a place yet? I did. I move in July. I'm 3% black, 60% German, 20% Italian, 50% Jamaican. Ain't black and So this bitch can't get door slammed no more? Oh, jumping me is insane, I fear. Danny, help! What the fuck? On my side, beat that bitch ass. Oh, I just locked that. Yes, beat that bitch ass, Danny, on my side. Wow. I said like, wow. They not like us. They not like us. These hoes crazy. Oh my god. I'm finna jump out the window. Everybody outside anyway. Oh, that just f***ed him up. Oh my god, this bitch Nancy coming. Bitch. This bitch all up in my pussy like what? Bitch, imagine busting through a door with a dress on. That is the key. Oh shit, he kinda ate that. Ah! Off of, and I've been having my tickets on there for almost 6 months, and I'm all the way back to level 18. It's really fuck him. He did that weird one. But it's okay, cause we're gonna get back up. We're gonna get back up on my soul. I'm not worried about no pussy. Putty, P-U-T-H-Y, pussy. Bitch! Bitch! Oh. 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 Oh.
If you just listen, I wouldn't have to do this.
Oh, I don't got extra drip. Bitch, that's what the fuck I need. I don't got extra drip. That's why I'm like, bitch, why am I running so motherfucking much? Oh. Hit your booty coming. Oh, you're not finna jump me though. Bitch. Oh, she's giving that tea? You're giving that? Oh, they giving that. They're giving that. Oh, they just gave that. But no shade, we be fighting each other more than we fight these other bitches though. Cause why does Suki really talk about this bitch talking about some, she ain't a city girl, she a shitty girl. Like Suki Hane. Nah, that was the thing for me. It didn't even matter like if he like, you know, it could have been a different way he promoted it. And then for him to like put that shit all over his face and try to compare his skin tone to the shit, it baffled me completely because it's like, bitch, what? Girl, this Johnny and this fucking Leatherface is doing too fucking much. So if I start my shit and I start beating they motherfucking ass, they're gonna gag, bitch, because I'm gonna give it to them, bitch. I'm not gonna go light. Bitch, I'm trying to like talk and do my shit. But bitch, if I really have to get the fuck in, pussy ass bitch, you can't take me, bitch. Oh, they in the car together. No, boo. Thank you. You ain't a city girl. You's a shitty girl. It's two bitches down here worried about me, bitch. I really hope these bitches is upstairs doing some shit while I'm down here fucking up two heavy ass killers. Bitch, I'm down here doing my one, bitch. I hope they're doing their one upstairs. No shade. Girl, and they just dying. Like, y'all fucking suck. Girl, they all dying. Are they all dead?
Too loud.
Girl, they are ass. I fear. How the fuck did y'all all die, bro? God, after this one.
I know they're still around here somewhere. Be careful, Anna. It's open.
That is wild. These bitches are ass. I'm not getting out, bro. They said them to shot. Oh, they just scared the shit out of me.
Like me.
This wants to jump me down. And everybody fucking disconnected and left because y'all are fucking shit. Y'all keep count. $24 left. $24 more subs left. Get it cracking in this bitch on Saw. I'm over here.
Hey, I love who I love. Ask out who I can't.
23 more subs, y'all. 23.
Why are you doing this to me?
Girl, my team was ass. Like, I hate my team. They were ass, bitch. They couldn't take me. I'll get leather back. Come on, baby. Let's go. Babe, what's going on, baby? What's going on? Yeah, hit me, baby. Hit me again, babe. Hit me again. Bitch, fuck what you talking about? I wasn't even fucking looking. Bitch, you got stabbed in your motherfucking back. Dumb, nasty, stinking ass bitch. What's your tea? You're not fucking with me, honey. Hey, babe, what's going on, baby? No, baby, come on. No, baby, come on. Let's get it. Come on. I don't give a fuck. I eat stuff. Yum, yum. Eat them, eat them, eat them, eat them, eat them. Oh, wait, hold on. I can't eat no more. I can't eat no more. Hold on. Ooh. Okay, maybe. You in the city, girl? You a shitty girl? My ears bleeding.
Can I get through there?
But you ain't never been in no car with no bass before. You gotta get the fuck in, honey. When the speakers sound like that blown the fuck out, you gotta get in, honey. You ain't a city girl, you a shitty girl. Hey, boy, I'm right here. Near her. Near her. Oh, they're gonna jump. You ain't a city girl, you're a shitty girl. Hey, hey, hey,
Get away from me!
You ain't a city girl, you're the city girl. Hey. You ain't the city girl, you're the city girl. This your bitch, but I am not your bitch. Don't get in your feelings when I call shit quits. Go look on the internet and talk your shit. They ain't never had another bitch like this. See, I'm not a lame, period. I'm not a game. I'm not your main thing. I don't want to be your main thing. Oh, why is everybody sucking right now? They sucking mad dick.
Oh, shit.
I got you, Connie girl, cause he not finna bully you. He trying to get bullied. Hello. Peekaboo. Bitch.
What did you do to my sister?
I'm selling coochie. Bitch, I'm selling coochie though, like I said.
Why are you
Pussy, P-U-U-S-Y, pussy. Rookie, you need to sucking dick. Mad dick at that.
Finally, they left. I need to find the others.
Like an ice cream slush.
I should hang on to this.
What's an ice cream slush? I ain't never heard of that.
Thank you, Lord.
Oh, this bitch Nancy. Okay, yeah, go ahead, get your shit. Hurry up, girl. Hurry up, girl. Hurry, girl. Hurry, girl. She finna come get me behind this barn. She know where I'm at. Look, she coming.
Thank you, God.
Oh, she just told them where I was. Oh my God!
Hey, I love who I love. Ask out who I can't.
Justin, thank you so much for the sub. Oh, they finna jump me.
You're just
What's up, bitch? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, shit. They're going all bad, baby. No shade, because they could have left us. And then especially because that bitch Johnny... Especially because that bitch Johnny could do that thing where he run and swing. Like, are you kidding me? What door did they open? What the fuck? What did they go through? Oh my goodness. Everybody escaped. The bitch, I'm stuck. Oh my God. Oh, they back there. Oh my God, y'all, I'm fucking stuck. Damn, and that shit just turned back on. Oh my God, oh, damn, it's back on. Fuck. I'm dead. Fuck, I didn't even, oh, fuck, they finna jump me, fuck. Woo, they're trying to beat this pussy up. Oh, I'm so dead, girl. One smack, I'm out of there. Oh! Girl, fuck them. Y'all, I don't know, yeah. Girls here. You don't think these niggas be having on a set of nails and still be eating ass? They don't give a fuck. They use the nails for appetizers. Leftovers. No, I'm just playing. I gotta stop being so freak nasty, chill. Cause I'm not like that. It's sad to say. And girl, I'm so scared of it. I need my ass ate now. Bitch, stop trying to put your hands on me, bitch. I'm not the one. Bitch, I'm not the fucking one. Bitch always trying to put her nasty ass, dirty, stinking ass, leather pussy hands on me. Like this shit right here. Like, why the fuck is he swinging at 60 miles per hour? Like, and he just won't stop. It hasn't stopped yet. Like, what the fuck? And they expect bitches to run from that? The fuck? Oh, I'm getting the fuck up out of here. Like, are they fucking crazy? Look at all these holes in my bag. Bitch, I look like a Connect 4. Hey, A-Cash. Like, bitch, I look like a Connect 4. Bitch, and like, I think Rolly Body is actually team. But in some, like, I don't know if it was her shapewear or what the fuck she was wearing, but that should, I don't know. Yeah, cause I forgot, like, the girl is still fucking, she's still healing, you know, she's still swollen, so technically, I don't know. I don't got no BBL. If I get a BBL, I want to be built like Wendy Williams. I want them to take all the fat from the stomach and the ass and put it all in my titties. Bitch, I want to be able to grab, I want to be able to grab one of my titties and put it on a watermelon and the watermelon just collapse. So like, They be like, oh, she's tittied up. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to bed. Yeah, I don't think I'm tittied. Damn. Well, yeah. Your nigga wanna beat it off the bone. This not what you want, promise you. I don't give a motherfucker, I suck that dick. Stop trying to touch everybody, bitch. Stop trying to touch everybody, bitch. I don't give a fuck. I eat him. I eat him. Yeah, look at you. And bitch, and I'm gonna get that ass. Stupid bitch. I don't give a motherfucker, I suck that dick. They keep trying to call out T. You get what you see, what you see. Trying to eat the coochie like a mukbang. Yo. He eat the coochie like a mukbang. Wee, pee, see me. Oh, wee, D me, please me. Y'all know what I want? I want a nasty piece of seafood roll. Like, bitch, I want the seafood boil to have crab. Oh, I want that motherfucker to have crab legs that crawl at me like Mr. Crab style. Like, oh my God, I'm dead. Bitch, I want the seafood boil to be like I just want it, like, I want a seafood boil, like, eat the coochie like a mukbang. Bro, this nigga got traps everywhere. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah. Okay, vagina, what we finna do? Cause this bitch right here, so we can fuck him up. You can throw your little pixie pussy dust at him, and then we can really get this shit cracking for real. Come on. Oh, this my type of, yeah, you my type of girl. You my type of girl. Fuck that bitch up on so. Yeah, come on, let's go. Beat it. You need some extra here. Pour that on her coochie like that. Booty clapping, already to give me water than drink. Bitch. You playing with me? Boom, bam, shawam. Oh, I need a bone scrap before I come up here. These bitches gonna be ready for war. I'm ready for war though. Where he at?
They did the battery already.
The fuse thing being right by the fuse is kind of insane to me. By the fuse gate. Let me just find a little fuse tank. Where do it be at on here though?
It could be in the back or by that garden. It's in the back.
Girl, quit coming for me with his old ass. Move, girl, move, girl. You was old, bitch. You bald and you look like alfalfa, bitch. Good fucking bye, bitch. Oh, they're trying to get me. I don't give a fuck. Bitch, I got my mind made up. Girl, y'all go look into Discord, bitch. You know these bitches' livers is ready to just burst. That bitch Avion talking about we drinking tonight. Mind you, I was supposed to go get a bottle. Bitch, I'm not getting off that Don Julio active Julio. Oh. Man, you did that?
Yeah.
You ate that? But let me go handle some business real quick, because that bitch should be open for a little minute. Let me go here. My turn, you old bitch. Come on, wake up. I said wake the fuck up.
This bitch is blocking it.
Wake up now. Bitch. We gonna kill grandpa, bitch. He gotta go. On guard. Pretty face, little waist with a big old bag. Booty. He's still blocking it?
Probably, most likely. But he got his back. He's facing it front on. So if you got a bone scrap, you could stab him in the back.
Oh, shit.
And then make it through.
Okay, let me see if I can do that.
Oh, and they're going up upstairs.
That shit probably finna cut off. The camera just closed. How fucking slow can I be? It's in the house though, so let me just go back in the house.
It's in the little shack.
I forgot what door it is to go straight through there. Is this the door? No, this is outside.
You climb up.
Is this one or is it the other one?
Climb up that ladder, and then you could it's like right next to the shack. Like you're right under it right now.
Oh, okay. Hey y'all. Hey Shy. Hey no name, cause I don't see a name. Hey boo. This booty clapping arm moves. His dick getting hotter than the tree. Yeah, face your back
Tilt
towards
his
you.
back towards you.
Like, he doing it wrong. Oh, I can't get in. Oh, thank you. Bitch, you look crazy. Yeah, but still, all them bitches would be doing too much. Where the bone scrap at, bitch? I'm finna get it cracking in the motherfucking A. But yes, y'all, if I lose too, I'm gonna cuss them the fuck out too. I don't care. Look, already. All fucking ready. Come on, bitch. I'm gonna beat your ass every time, pussy ass, dumb, nasty, funky ass bitch. And I'm gonna smack you with this door if it let me. Wait, it didn't let me smack him with the door. Why didn't let me? Come on, bull, I'm ready. Come on. Let me go ahead and get some of this sea moss water. Put some wetness back on this coochie, man. Turn this water into wine and turn your nigga into man. Whatever Miss Henry said. Come on, come on, come on. I bet that bitch ain't gonna run down here though. Girl Cook, I don't give a fuck what you heard, bitch. Yes, yes, hear me again. Keep hearing me, bitch. Keep hearing me. Keep hearing me. Booty clapping, Ari moves, his dick getting hotter than the tree.
I just gotta find a ball. I'm not gonna pamper it.
Okay, let me see if I can find it.
Hold on, don't go that way.
Bitch. Girl, shut the fuck up, old bitch.
Wait. Oh, I'm dead.
This nigga just sitting there waiting on me. Johnny, baby, I don't give a fuck. Come on. Oh, y'all gonna jump me now? Oh, you wasted your breath. Oh, y'all trying to jump. Oh, y'all not gonna get me. Oh, you funky. Oh, you funky. Bitches can't take me, clearly. Bitch, I'm still alive. On God. Let me find me some health. I need me some Fiji water. Had that pussy smell. Damn, I got up fast as hell. Damn, when you put that toughness all the way up, bitch, you gonna get up. Oh, they feeding that old bitch. The hell body you wasting it up? No, cause I found one. You see? And this one right here too. So yeah, I'm cool. Boofy, thank you. Girl,
She's trying to get upstairs. And she just used her ability on the floor. And then she going upstairs.
Oh, they trying to jump me, so yeah, do your one, Connie Bonnie. Damn. Girl, Nancy, ugly ass. Bitch, don't touch the shit no more, you old ass bitch. I'll kick you on your knees again, huh? Come on. Oh, they finna jump you.
Oh, shit.
Bitch, I'm taking all face from my bitch. All face, bitch. I'm taking all face. Bitch, I'm taking all face. Behind that
shit.
one. Wait, don't die, girl.
Hold on, I'm gonna try. Let me just go back down.
Yeah, I'm back up here. Yeah, come on. Come. Oh, come. You ain't gonna walk through there though. Bitch, you're not gonna walk through there though. Girl, I don't give a fuck about that pussy smoking. That's why I didn't even come over here. Bitch, all that pussy smoke you got over here, that fire flame pussy ass smoke. Bitch, you was a weak ass bitch. You got this old ass granny girdle on, bitch, with these flats, girl. You think you eating it up, Miss Thing. You are not eating up, Mrs. Thing, bitch. With this badass bob you got on your motherfucking head, looking a hot ass funky mess, bitch. I don't give a fuck, bitch. No, stop talking to me. Because look at you, bitch. You see me, saggy titty, breastfeeding titty. Saggy titty, breastfeeding titty. Like what? What is she talking about right now? This bitch isn't talking about nothing. No shade. And let this bitch sissy. Yeah, and let this bitch sissy come around. Come on, sissy, bitch. I got something for you too, bitch. You won't blow another thing of smoke no more, bitch. I'm gonna turn your smoke into. Come on. Yep, jump me. Come on. I like that shit. Come on, bitch. Come on. Yeah, that's why you run out of breath, you dumbass bitch. Trying to come down here, trying to get into all that, bitch. You look crazy, bitch. I don't give a fuck about none of that, bitch. You was a weak ass, nasty, funky ass, stinking ass, nasty, dirty ass bitch with a bad ass pussy, bitch. You got a sonic tonic pussy, bitch. Fuck is you talking about, bitch? Yeah, break that door open, bitch. Cause I'm finna bust you a new one, bitch. Let's get it in. Bitch is trying to jump. Come on. Yep, come on. Yep. I'm ready. Yeah, I hope y'all upstairs doing it because I got two bitches on me, bitch, that need that saggy titty, breastfeeding titty. They cannot take me, no shade. Anyways, and let me go ahead and get a health. You know what I'm saying, D? Because my health is in the orange. No shade, D. So we gonna get a health, D. No shade. Because we wasting health. No shade. Wait, what you opening?
The front. Oh.
You already went upstairs?
Yeah, I went, not the one I was trying to do earlier, but the other one.
Okay, just let me know when it's open. Okay, let me find some help for real, bitch, because this shit is going down little by little. You ain't a city girl, you's a shitty girl, and your man wanna come to the coochie world. Hey, yeah. Come on. Yeah. I said what I said.
Who's sitting in the back?
Girl, bye, girl. Look at you. Dumbass bitch. You look crazy as shit. Trying to swing bitch in that ugly ass dress. No, you cannot get a clap for the motherfucking dress, bitch. Oh, yeah. Come on, Nancy. Come on. Yep. Knock me. Yep. Hit me again. Hit me with your best shot. Fire away. Y'all, so, oh my God, y'all. So, it's this clip, right? I gotta see if I could, I gotta probably have to edit it. But it's this clip when I was beating Johnny ass and he was on the ground and I told him to eat my pussy. But they deleted it off of here, so I can't. Girl, Ivan, stop acting like you don't be fucking up no food, boo. Y'all love come for bitches that eat, bitch. Y'all be fucking up some shit too. Don't be acting like y'all don't be getting in the field. The girls be swearing they so skinny mini. Like, girl, you know when you get up in that field, how do you get in that field? Oh God. We don't believe in finger food here. Oh, so you like one of them classy bitches. Y'all gotta have a fork and knife for everything. Okay. Oh, they already down here. Wow. Oh, they finna jump? Okay, let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking in a motherfucking A. Bitch Johnny, what's good, bitch? I'm finna just go around fighting bitches. Clearly, he needs that first. Yeah, come on. Come on, I'm ready. Come on, I'm ready. Come on, Connie, open this motherfucking door. Hurry up. Hurry the fuck up. Cause we getting out. I got your back, sister. I got your motherfucking back. Yes, sister, go. Hurry up. Got these goddamn flats on. Girl, you don't got no tools? Oh, no. This bitch is... Girl, hurry up, girl. They coming. They finna come, girl. They finna fuck us up. Like, why do you only have one tool, hoe? Go, girl, go. Hurry up. I got your bag. I got your bag. I got your bag. Yeah, they're coming. They're coming. Who's first? Because I'm running up. Oh, is that Johnny? Yep. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go, company. Go, sister. Go. Oh, my God. Girl, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I could take a few. Yeah, knock me.
Doors
Love
open,
that.
gates open.
Yeah. Yep, and I'm gonna get that back too, nigga. Come on, eat this pussy. Eat it. Yep. Take a lick. Take a motherfucking lick. Yep. He licked that motherfucker. Lick that hole off the rim, honey. Okay. Yeah. And me and my bitches got out.